welcome back to Nonna Pina's Sicilian Cucina. And today we're going to make a recipe that in my family is one of the favorites. It's probably my favorite cookie. And what it is, it's a thumbprint cookie that is coated with coconut flakes and in the thumbprint injected with jam. So that's what we're going to make today. I have no idea what it's called in Italian or Sicilian. But Nonna Pina, what are the ingredients? And you could speak Italian, that's fine.
4 cups of flour.
Quarter cups of sugar.
1 3/4 of sugar.
Of sugar, okay.
3 eggs.
Okay, nice.
Vanilla.
How much vanilla, Ma?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, so one of those little teaspoons. So the spoons you use to stir a coffee. Okay.
Okay.
And then?
Baking powder.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Same, okay, good.
Okay.
And then?
And then?
And then you're gonna mix it all. Okay.
Mix, yeah.
All right, Nonna Pina, so let me get you the bowl here. Let's do that.